Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to make a dish called Bún Đậu Nước Tương, which is fried tofu with pork shank and Vietnamese sausage, combined with vermicelli and fresh herbs from the garden. First, you need 600 grams of pork shank. Then use a cooking twine and wrap the pork tightly. The next step is to boil it by adding 1 shallot and 1 teaspoon of salt and half a tablespoon of cooking wine. Then boil it for 45 minutes. During that time, take out 300 grams of tofu and cut them in small pieces. The next step is to fry the tofu by adding enough oil to cover them. Use a stick to know when the oil is hot enough. Then add the tofu. Now turn the tofu to the other side to make sure that it's properly fried. Once it's turned golden brown, take them out. The next step is to take out 1 pack of vermicelli and boil it. Once it's done, take them out, rinse it with cold water, and then drain it. After 45 minutes, take out the pork. Then put it in a bowl of ice cold water. Once it's cooled down, remove the strings. Then cut it into thin pieces. The Vietnamese sausage is optional but recommended because it's delicious and it fits well. For the sauce, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of warm water. Then add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Finally, you can add garlic and chili of your choice. For the herbs, you can add some mint. You can also add some Vietnamese balm. Then add some perilla. And finally, some lettuce. You can also add some cucumber if you like. Time to eat! Let's do this! First, I'm gonna take some vermicelli, just a little bit. I'm gonna take a few ones. And then a few Vietnamese sausage. And then some pork leg. And then the tofu. There you go. Oh yeah. This is how we eat. It's here. Alright. Me, I put everything. Oh. some lettuce. Ooh, we have a good bowl. That's enough. And then, all right, by the way, the right way to eat this is with the shrimp paste, fermented shrimp sauce. But in my case, I prefer the soya sauce. Right. And lastly, some nuts. Some peanuts. One huge bite. All right. Let's try this. Mmm. 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 The pork leg is delicious. Wow. Mmm. 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 I love it. Mmm. Mmm. All right, one big last bite. Yeah. Mm-mm. Mmm. 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 Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.